Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $119.99, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $69.99. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you value. Both ice makers are designed for high efficiency, with the AGLUCKY producing up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Sweetcrispy slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds. This small difference may not be significant for everyday use, but it could be a deciding factor for larger gatherings. In terms of features, both machines offer a self-cleaning function, which is a great convenience. However, the Sweetcrispy also includes a carry handle, making it easier to transport. This feature could be particularly useful for those who plan to use the ice maker in different locations, such as parties or outdoor events. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their unique advantages. The AGLUCKY offers a premium build and self-cleaning feature, while the Sweetcrispy provides affordability and portability. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.